In this video, you will see how to insert degree symbol in LibreOffice Writer. So you can write degree Celsius, degree Fahrenheit, or simply degree. It's very easy. First, you need to click here on the Insert tab. Then click on Special Character. You will see this special character window. Make sure under the font you have selected this font Liberation Serif. Next to the character block, select the option Basic Latin and you will see the degree symbol here. Just click on the symbol and you can read here degree sign. Once the symbol is selected, click on Insert and then you can type degree Celsius or degree Fahrenheit, whatever you want. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn LibreOffice Writer quickly. And don't forget to subscribe and press the bell notification icon.